What's up, everyone? This is Wayne from Fade to Black, FTB Faded Forever, and I got my top 5 reasons you should get your ride faded. So for number 5, I'm going to put 2 together. I'm going to say protect your interior and heat. Protect your interior because when that sun fades in, it just fades your interior. I don't know how many cars I've done in the back headrest and the back deck, it's just all faded because the sun just constantly beats in on that car. So by having the windows tinted, it'll help protect that. It'll resist the UV rays, block out the UV rays, and keep that sun from damaging your interior. And I said I'm gonna slide in heat with that for number 5 because the window film cuts back on heat, keeping your interior cooler, making the ride more comfortable. So that's just an added benefit right there. So that's number 5. So for number 4, I'm gonna say theft. People can't steal what they can't see. So when your windows are tinted and your car's parked someplace, whether it be on a street in front of your house or at a shopping mall or something like that, if people are walking past your car, they can't see in there. So if you happen to leave something laying on your seat, let's say you left your wallet or you left your purse or you just left your MP3 player, your cell phone, you really weren't thinking at the time, you locked your car up. If this is sitting there with no windows, that are a clear car with no windows tinted, everyone can see in your car. They see all your valuables. But when your windows are tinted, they can't see in your car. So that helps prevent theft. So people, like I said, people shouldn't steal something they can't see, right? I don't know, that's just my thought to it. So that's number 4. So my number 3 thing for a reason of my top 5 of why you should get your car faded is safety. Now, I've had a car broken into before. Now, when you have your windows broken, or glass, let's say someone threw something at it or someone accidentally hit something, or if you had a side collision impact or something in your car, the window film will hold all those glass shards together. When I had my car broken into, I had glass shards. I was picking glass out of my car, out of my interior for just months and months and months. But when you have that glass broken, when you have window film on it, that window film will hold that glass together like a sheet and then prevent it from just shattering in on your face, on your skin, on your cars, your valuables. So for safety, that's the number 3 reason you should have your ride faded. So my number 2 reason for why you should have your car faded is privacy. If you're sitting in your car, chilling someplace, no one can see you. If you're a stoplight nose picker and you're picking your nose at the stoplight, no one can see you. It's your business. Do what you got to do. You know, if you just want to sit and relax in your car, you're traveling. I've done a number of vehicles where someone said, you know, my daughter's going off to college. She's going to be traveling. She's going to be driving the highway back and forth out of town. Or you take your car on a lot of trips. You know, you don't want everyone just seeing who you are or what you're doing. You know, if you're sleeping at a rest stop, you know what I mean? You want to take a couple minutes off the road. You just want to have a little bit of privacy. Or if you're just driving around town, you just want people just looking at you all the time. People like to enjoy their vehicles and they like to have a little bit of privacy from everyone else. So that's my number 2 reason why you should get your ride faded. And my number 1 reason why you should get your ride faded is because it looks cool. No one can deny how much better your car looks. When people come to pick up my car, that's the first thing they say. Man, I just love the way it looks now. It just looks so much better. Or if they have a pickup truck or an SUV where the rear has privacy glass and they want to get the front, and they're like, man, it just looks so much better. I just don't like riding around when I want it to match. Match. I always do a ton of front matches. That's probably my most popular tint install. So people just want their ride to look good. You know what I mean? It has so many more benefits like blocking UV rays, help protect against skin cancer. It's a ton of other things. But number 1, I think people just like their ride to look good. So when you're watching TV, look at all the little car commercials. Most of those cars, they're tinted because they show that car just riding along. All the windows are blacked out. The windshield's blacked out, even though it is illegal. But it still just looks good. All cars on TV commercials, they're all tinted. You know what I mean? So people just love the way the vehicle looks when it's tinted out. So that's my number 1. So top 5 reasons why you should get your ride faded. FDB, Fade to Black, Faded Forever. Quote you on rims. Some vinyl work. If you need t-shirts for your Clark Cubs, you need decals, hit me up. It's busy summer, but I'm trying to do what I can do. Alright, until next time, peace. Faded.